This is Chapter 9 Review, Page 1. Which graph shows the triangle and its reflecting image in the x-axis? Well, which one looks like it's over the x-axis? So actually it kind of looks like A, because here's my pre-image, here's my image, and it went over the x-axis. Where on this one, this is reflected over the y-axis. So A. Next question. Which translation from the solid line figure to the dash by a vector of -3, 3? So -3 means I'm going to go to the left, and 3 means I'm going to go up. So I'm going to go left 3 and up 3. And if you take a look at this graph, you're actually counting by twos. So I'm going from the solid to the dash. Solid to the dash, I'm going toward the right and then down. So that's not the problem. Solid to the dash, if I go from this point, I go 2, 2, and then 3. 2 to the line, and then halfway would be 3, and then 2, and then halfway would be 3. So B is my answer. I went to the left and I went up 3 on both of those. Solid to the dashed line. All right, on this one, I have these points, which are my pre-image, the ones I started with, and I got to name the image reflected in the x-axis. So if you kind of come back up to this,
Justin Walters, please report to the main office.
what's changing?
Justin Walters, please report to
Is
the main
my
office.
x changing or is my y changing when I reflect it over the x-axis? So if you take a look, you didn't go any left or right more than what you did. What's changing is your y. So if this one was positive, now it's negative. And if it was negative, now it's positive. So on this problem, my y's are changing. So this is what should be changing. This, y, and y. So I'm still going to have -1, but then this should be -1. And so that looks like it's this one. I still have 7, so this should be a +7. So there you go there. And then this still is 1, and so now this should be a +6. So my y's was changing if I reflected over the x-axis. So B is my answer.